Welcome back to Guess Wisdom. Are you ready to explore some of the rare and exotic-looking discoveries in the ocean? Let's dive right in.
Wobbegong. Encounter the wobbegong, a member of the carpet shark family, not a discarded piece of carpet as it may initially appear. To encounter this extraordinary shark, you must explore the tropical waters of the western Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Wobbegongs spend their time lounging on the seafloor, concealed by their flat-fringed bodies. There, they patiently await a delectable meal, be it fish, octopuses, crabs, or lobsters, to swim by before gulp. Some wobbegongs have also been observed stealthily approaching their prey, displaying a sneaky dining strategy. Chimera. In the ocean's depths, approximately 4,200 feet below the surface, resides the chimera. These deep-sea creatures lack bones in their bodies. Instead, their inner structures consist of soft, spongy cartilage. On each side of their head, chimeras possess what seem to be eye sockets. Despite their menacing appearance, these creatures are devoid of eyes. Instead, these structures function as sensory pads, detecting electrical fields in the water. This unique adaptation enables them to see in the dark and murky depths they inhabit. Leafy sea dragon. Resembling ordinary seaweed, this is, in fact, a fascinating creature, the leafy sea dragon. Inhabiting the southern and western coast of Australia, it belongs to the Syngnathidae family, just like seahorses. Growing to about 20 to 24 centimeters in length, it sustains itself on plankton and small crustaceans. Utilizing its tiny fins for movement, the leafy sea dragon employs its long, leafy extensions to camouflage among seaweed, evading predators. It's a remarkable creature, even earning the designation of David Attenborough's favorite animal. Cool, isn't it? Fangtooth fish. Named for their formidable teeth, fangtooth fish are menacing carnivores of the deep sea, dwelling at depths exceeding 16,000 feet. Despite their eerie appearance, measuring around 7 inches when fully grown, they pose no threat to humans. Unlike many deep-sea creatures, fangtooth fish actively hunt, using their keen sense of smell and sound to locate prey like squid, fish, and crustaceans. Their enlarged, sharp teeth ensure efficient capture, and although lacking glowing organs, these predators occasionally venture to the surface in pursuit of a meal. Giant isopod. Imagine encountering a colossal version of the familiar roly-poly, but in the mysterious depths of the ocean. Meet the giant isopod, a real-life creature resembling its land-dwelling relative. Thriving in the deep sea, giant isopods scavenge for prey like squid, fish, crabs, and sea sponges. Adapted to the scarcity of food in the ocean depths, they've evolved to endure extended periods without sustenance, sometimes up to 4 years. In moments of fear, these marine giants can curl into protective balls, a defense mechanism facilitated by their spineless structure. Their robust exoskeleton shields them from external threats. When not on the hunt, you'll find them nestled beneath ocean sediment, conserving energy for their next venture. Christmas tree worm. Christmas tree worms, residing in tropical coral reefs worldwide, derive their name from their spiral plumes resembling Christmas trees. These hair-like tentacles extending from their tube-like bodies serve dual purposes, feeding on microscopic plants and facilitating respiration. The worms exhibit a vibrant spectrum of colors, including orange, yellow, blue, and white, adding a splash of marine festivity to the underwater landscape. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is the stuff of nightmares with its eel-like body and snake-like head. Its needle-like teeth spaced far apart and possessing 3 cusps add to its terrifying appearance. This deep-sea creature dwells as deep as 4,921 feet beneath the ocean's surface. In the darkness of the ocean, the frilled shark swims with its mouth wide open, which might make it look even scarier. Researchers believe they do this to attract prey. This creature's diet primarily consists of squid, though it occasionally preys on smaller sharks and fish. Considered one of the most primitive shark species in the ocean, the frilled shark has been around for millions of years. Pacific football fish. Discovered in 1985 by a group of deep-sea fishermen, the Pacific football fish has since been classified among other anglerfish species, totaling over 300 identified. This creature gained worldwide recognition, particularly after the release of Finding Nemo. The Pacific football fish's first dorsal fin along its back is forward-extending and bioluminescent, emitting its own light to lure prey. Inhabiting depths of 2,000 to 3,300 feet, where light and food are scarce, it is an opportunistic feeder, consuming various prey like crustaceans and squids. Despite its formidable appearance, the Pacific football fish is not considered dangerous. Tardigrade. Tardigrades, commonly known as water bears or moss piglets, are minute organisms capable of surviving in ocean depths of up to 15,000 meters below the surface. These arthropods possess 8 legs and exhibit bodies with a resemblance to the caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland. Remarkably resilient, tardigrades can endure harsh conditions fatal to most life forms. When faced with extreme circumstances, they can enter a dehydrated state, forming a protective structure known as a ton. Studies have demonstrated that tons can endure temperature extremes ranging from 300 degrees F to minus 328 degrees F, and they can withstand pressures 6 times greater than those found at the ocean floor. Despite their resilience, these deep-sea creatures lack bones. Instead, their bodies consist of fluid-filled compartments called hemolymphs, containing essential nutrients. Sea spider. If encountering an ordinary garden spider gives you the chills, meeting a sea spider might be even more unsettling. These marine creatures crawl across the ocean floor and can reach widths of up to 3 feet, equivalent to the combined length of 2 average house cats, excluding tails. Sea spiders inhabit depths of up to 2,300 feet in all oceans worldwide, preying on slow-moving sea creatures like sea nettles and sponges. Certain species possess claws for hunting. Despite their similarity to terrestrial arachnids, sea spiders belong to the Cycnogonida class, unlike land spiders in the Arachnida class. Nevertheless, both are arthropods and fall under the subphylum Chelicerata, showcasing shared characteristics. Sea angel. Sea angels, petite sea slugs with ethereal transparent bodies and gracefully flapping wings, defy their slug-like nature. These inhabitants of the cold deep sea, derived from modified gastropods, have transformed their typical muscular foot into wing-like appendages for robust swimming in open water, shedding their shells in the process. Despite their celestial appearance, sea angels employ their radula and tentacles for a less than divine purpose, extracting other swimming snails from their shells and consuming them. Their exclusive prey includes Cleone limatina, a species of shelled pteropods anticipated to suffer adverse effects from climate change and ocean acidification. Clown frogfish. The clown frogfish, a resident of coral environments, adeptly adjusts its appearance to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. Although the process of altering its appearance requires a few weeks, this fish showcases remarkable camouflage skills. Sporting a large mouth, it can devour prey of its own size, allowing you to witness these brightly colored fish feasting on prey up to 5.9 inches long.
How many did you get? If you found this video enjoyable, remember to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.